Now it comes to an arrangement. It's also use lovely flowers and create nice lines and beautiful colors. It's a mixture of different kind of flowers, and they all look very fresh. And also this group and this group, the flowers, they also shows beautiful color mass. And I have squeezed them and the bottom together to create first this structure, and then I add in different materials. So these three flowers are also very lovely. Although this vase has been broken, and I try to glue it, fix it, and then insert a plastic cup inside, so it still looks very fine. And then the next one is this lovely one, and I plan to put it here together with this arrangement. So try to make a harmony picture of these two arrangements. So this is the arrangement I make for you on Sunday. So if you like it, please subscribe my channel and hope to see you soon. Bye.